Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NUGT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that basically past day and a half, this one has made a very nice move. I don't think anybody can really argue that. From where it was to where it closed today, yeah, this has been a nice move. But that brings up the question, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but the good news is by using charts, we can make answering that very straightforward. And it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I really like charts. It makes things quite straightforward. And in my mind, this single level is down here at $7.75. Why is $7.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about the 775. Any sort of closes below 775, or if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, not saying, well, but let's just pretend heads down there, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction. So to me, 775, very important. Now, ideally speaking, if the price can hold up above that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, that would be the best case scenario. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below the purple line that everything's ruined or anything like that. So ideally, right there at about $8, but keep in mind that's a moving average, so that's going to change with time. But in my opinion, the must-hold level for the reasons explained, 775 is that must-hold level of support. In regards to levels of resistance, just going to focus on one because, this one that I'm going to, talk about seems to be quite kind of annoying and a big thorn in the side of the chart, and that's right up there at about $8.65. You can see here it knocked down the price. Their price didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree got up in the range of it. And then once again today, price is just struggling right around that area. So not saying that 865 can't be broken, just saying that apparently the bulls are really going to have to bring their A game if they're going to be able to push up through that area. So nice, basically past day and a half. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going into next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the ETFs and stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate ETFs and stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.